How's it going, guys? Today I'm setting up my media link for my Xbox 360. I'm sure there's plenty of great information out there and good videos that'll show you how to set up your media center on your PC, where you can, as you can see, that's the shark box is my 360, and this unknown one's the PS3. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing on this rainy Sunday. My sister gave me this laptop, and it was locked up, had some type of military virus or something on it, and I just wiped the whole thing and got it back up and running. What I'm doing is trying to link my media center and use the PC as a router. I have a router over there, but what I would like to do is be able to control everything from the PC to the 360, and just learning as I go. This is what I'm kind of going through right now. I'm installing some driver software. This is running on Windows 7. I'm sorry, this is Vista. But yeah, guys, this is what I'm doing. A lot of reading. Basically, what I'm installing, it'll be this media center, the excuse me again, green start button. But having a blast, guys. Nonetheless, we're a few steps up far as the computer go, and I finally got one with the where I can burn some really well needed CDs for my original Xbox there that has the error code 21, and I need to run some disk in there. Also for my PC here on the bottom, to get a Windows XP disk and get that booted up and running, because it also has a disk burning drive. And I've just been working on stuff, as you can see, guys. I've been playing a lot of Dreamcast here lately, and been having a really gaming awesome time. As you can see, my setup here, and I normally play here on this, and watch some of my YouTube action up there, and sometimes playing on both. But it seems like Microsoft has went out of its way to make it as difficult as possible for hackers and stuff, because this is a lot of steps, guys. This is a lot of steps. There should be a easier way, or maybe I'm just ignorant and I can't follow directions well, but I'm more of a hands-on, to be perfectly honest. I have to have someone sitting there, and I have to do it with my hands, just reading and try to transfer information and drag and drop. I'm just no good at that. But okay, guys, I have my new hardware now. Let's drop over to the screen. Okay, new hardware found. I guess that didn't work either. But there's got to be a way. I've seen some videos of guys having it linked up, and where you can also mod your console. Excuse me, mod your console and do some really cool stuff. I'm not just trying to link the systems. I'm trying to be able to create hacks and cool little cheats, just tweaking on stuff and having a good time. I'm not trying to do anything illegal. I just want to do some fun stuff and press the limits of imagination. Peace out from Texas, guys. Hope you're having a great Sunday.